Before we start, we need a couple of things so that we are protected. And now for the leak test. Hello, viewers! I hope everything's great. My name is James from James Magsafe Videos.
Yeah!
And today, we're going to unwrap this parcel that we received today. Let's dive in and have a look. So, what's inside this package? SDS certified high health performance mask. Instruction for use, you see in the photo right here. Alright, let's open. Let's open the second one. Yep. Also in plastic. See, let's draw here. The mask is made out of polyurethane material with elastic ear band. The mask is embedded with the built-in exhalation bulb. This also includes a very tiny vent hole not visible in the outside layer of the mask. Bonded by heat, it was built providing space for comfortability. So, let's try it on. Check for fitting.
Wow!
Yes! No leaking whatsoever.
Very nice. Nice.
I think it's comfortable. There's no fogging in the glasses. And I think it's good. Now, for some comments. What do you think? I think it fits you well. It's a requirement to stay protected.
Yahoo!
It's a requirement. This is James Magsafe, and I hope you like this presentation. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Disinfection before wearing, it's always a good practice. And now for the leak test. Let's put this white dry tissue here. It's all wet right there.